And what would it mean for the market to have a bunch of AIs swarm at the same time, competition, adapting? What would that mean for the buyer?
Yeah, that's a good question. I mean, I think that on the buy side of things also, they're going to be using AI to decipher who's using AI, for example, and analyze things. So I think, but that's not necessarily a bad thing, right? Because there are, as I say, there's so many data points that need to be covered that the human-driven process takes too long, right? So for example, I'll give a great example, right? Big pain point for me is that companies' procurement processes are extremely slow. They're bound in compliance, they're bound in governance, and they're extremely slow because they're doing due diligence, they're doing IT compliance, they're doing legal checks, they're doing validations and so on, reference checks. And so what happens is that a company that is eager to bring in a solution today, just because of the procurement process, is delayed, right? Months delayed. And that's all converted into opportunity cost. So I could, XIQ, for example, can be deployed in 45 minutes, right? So that means my sales team 45 minutes later can be highly empowered with AI-powered insights, behavioral insights, mechanisms, and I can start working towards improving my 4x and my 12x scheduling. I can also start towards improving my sales productivity that McKinsey cites as going up to 1.2 trillion. However, the delayed procurement process is pushing that out 6, 7, 8 months. And all that time that is lost in just simply being able to procure a solution, a SaaS solution, is costing the company. And it's not only costing the company from efficiency gains, the competitors who are able to move faster are pulling away because they're using these tools to do a better job in giving a great customer experience to their clients, for example, right? So the buyer side, if they bring in AI bots to analyze what a vendor is providing, it will just happen a lot faster. They will be able to come back, raise their objections, identify areas of threats, feed it back to the vendor can respond. And this will mean that companies are able to select better vendors, better solutions at a much faster rate. And that would mean better improvement in efficiencies and gains that way.